Hello guys, another tool used in the cloud computing world that you must install on your computer and download the app on your phone is Slack. Slack is a messaging app that you will most likely use to communicate with your team at work. From what I've noticed, if your company is using Outlook email, most likely they will use Team for their messaging app. And if your company is using Gmail for their email, most likely they will use Slack as their messaging app. If you don't have a Slack account, in this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Slack account and install the app on your computer and on your phone. To sign up for a Slack account, in Google, type Slack in the search box. Once you type Slack and press enter, the URL for Slack is slack.com, so select it. Once you are on the Slack website, click Try for free. And on this page, you can either sign up for a Slack account with your email or you can sign up with your Google email. I will sign up with my Google email, so here I will click Continue with Google. Here I will choose the Google account I want to use to sign up for Slack. On this page, I'm going to click Continue. On this page, I'll create a name for my team and I'll call it AOS Note. Then I'll click Next. On this page, this is where you can invite someone to your Slack channel. I'm not going to invite anyone for now, so I'm going to click Skip this step. Then I'll click Skip Step. On this page, this is where you will create a Slack channel. And a Slack channel is nothing more but a group. So you can create different groups under Slack and you can invite people to join those groups. So here, there are some people that I'm mentoring in my course. I'm going to create a group and I'm going to invite those people to join the group. So here, I will create a name for that channel. Once you have entered the name for the Slack channel, click Next. There you go. I have created the Slack channel and you can see it here. If you also want to create more channel, you can click Add Channels here to create more channel. Currently, I have selected the Slack channel and you can see the title up here. So any message I type down here, I'll be typing it to the group members in this channel. If you don't have a Slack account, this is the first thing I want you to do. I want you to sign up for a free Slack account. Once you have signed up for a free Slack account, the next thing I want you to do is download Slack on your computer. To download Slack on your computer, I'm going to go to Google again. And in the Google search box, I'm going to type Download Slack. Once you type Download Slack, press enter. I'm going to download Slack on my Windows computer. So under the URL slack.com, this is saying Windows, I'll select it. Then on this page, I'm going to click Download. And there you go. It is downloading the executable file on my computer and I'll give it some time to download it. Once you have downloaded the Slack executable file on your computer, right-click on it and click Show in Folder. In your Downloads directory, you will see the executable file in there. Double-click it to start the installation. There you go. I have successfully installed Slack on my computer. The next thing I'm going to do is sign in. Click Sign in here. When you click Sign in, the first thing Slack will do is bring you to the web browser and you have to sign in there. Since I've already signed in here, all I have to do is click Open in Slack. And here I'm going to click Open Slack. There you go. I have successfully installed Slack on my computer. Another thing I want you to do is download the Slack app on your phone. So whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, go to your app store, look for Slack in there and download it on your phone. Once you've downloaded it, you can sign in and it will show you all the channels you have in your account. The last thing I want to show you is when you sign up for a Slack account, and join different channels, all those channels will be listed here. So here currently, I am in 3 channels: the AWS Cloud DevOps group, General, and Random. To show you how to join a channel, I'm just going to leave one of these channels. I'm going to right click on it and leave that channel. So for example, let's say you just started at your company and they have given you a list of channels to join. All you have to do to join that channel is you are going to come under channels here. Once you hover over it, you'll see this plus sign, click it. Then you are going to click browse channels. It is going to bring you here. Then the next thing you will do is search for the name of the channel here. For example, let's say I want to join this random channel and it is not listed here. I'm going to type random up here. Once I type random, you can see it is giving me the suggestion here. I'll select it. Then you can see it here. I'm not part of this channel, and to join this channel, all you have to do is hover over it and click join. Once I joined the channel, you can see it here. Another thing I also want to mention is you can have public channels and private channels. So if you have a channel that is public and you want to change it to private, all you have to do is select that channel. Once you select the channel, you will see the channel name up here. Click here. Then it is going to bring you to this page. Click settings, and under settings, click change to a private channel. Once you change a public channel to a private channel, you won't be able to change it back to a public channel. So for this particular group, I want to change it to a private channel because it is a group that I'm creating for people in my mentorship program. So I'm going to click change to private channel. And as you can see here, it is giving me a warning sign that this change can't be undone. I'm going to click change to private. Then I'm going to click the X button. And as you can see, this channel now has a lock icon, which makes it a private channel. And the only way you can join this channel is if I send you an invite. So if you have any private channel at your company, the only way you can join those channels is if the admin of that channel sends you an invite. So basically, what I want you to take away from this video is there is an app called Slack, and most likely this is the app you will use to communicate with your team members at work. So what I want you to do is sign up for a free Slack account if you don't have one. Once you have signed up for an account, install Slack on your computer and download the app on your phone. If you have any questions or there's any part of this lecture you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.